Now for this part of the question, we have to prove that the tan of a plus b is identical to the tan of a plus tan b, all divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. And to do this, it gives us the suggestion that we should use the formulae for the sine of a plus b and the cosine of a plus b. So how do we do this? Well, first of all, I'm just going to write down proof here, okay? And we're going to look at the tan of a plus b. Now we should know that already that the tan of any angle is the same as the sine of that angle divided by the cosine of that angle. And the angle I'm going to be using is a plus b. So this is identical to the sine of a plus b, all divided by the cosine or cos of a plus b. And you should be familiar with these expansions, alright? If we expand this, we get the sine of a cos b plus, and then cos a times sine b, or sine b cos a, it makes no difference there. And this is divided by the expansion of the cosine of a plus b, which is cos of a cos b minus the sine of a sine b. Now it's at this point that we've got to see how we can get towards tan of a, tan b, etc. okay, here. And we should know that tan is the same as I say, sine of an angle over cos of an angle. So that gives us a clue. And also we get a clue from the fact that we need a 1 in this position here. And it's kind of got that kind of style, this expression here. It's got this kind of style that you see up here. So I'm thinking, well, okay, how do I get that 1? I would get a 1 if I was to divide this by cos a cos b, but I can't just divide this term. I can divide each term by cos a cos b. Dividing each term top and bottom by the same value doesn't alter the value of your fraction, it will just change the appearance of it. So it's something that we can do. So I'm going to take each of the terms and divide them, okay, we'll just write each of these terms down, okay, that's the top there. I'm going to divide them by cos a cos b. So on the top we've got the top two terms divided by cos a cos b, cos a cos b, and then when we come on to the bottom here, let's just divide all of that. We've got these two terms here, which just write those in, cos a cos b and minus sine a sine b, and we'll divide each of those terms also by cos a cos b. So cos a cos b and cos a cos b in there. So what actually happens then? Well, we can see that for this one, this first term, cos b's cancel one another, leaving us with sine a over cos a. In other words, tan of angle A. And then we've got plus, and then for the second term, the cosine a's cancel one another out, leaving us with sine b over cos b, which is tan b. And then on the bottom, well, we've got this term here, got the same top and bottom, so they cancel one another out, giving us 1 over 1, which is 1. And then we've got minus, and you have sine a over cos a, which is tan a, and sine b over cos b, which is tan b. Okay, and that's what we had to show. So I hope it's given you some idea now how to do that then.